In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pinterest business account. This is a straightforward process that will only take about 5 minutes of your time. Setting up a business account on Pinterest can open up a world of opportunities for you to share your brand with a global audience. So let's get started. First, open your desktop browser and navigate to businesspinterest.com. This is your starting point for creating an account specifically tailored for business use. Once the page loads, you should see a clear Sign Up button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. This will kick off the registration process for your brand new Pinterest business account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information to get your account set up. You'll need to provide your business email, create a strong and secure password, and input your age. Using a business email will help you manage your account more professionally and could offer you better insights into how your account is performing. Once you've filled in this information, move on to the next screen. Now, it's time to add some personal touches to your account by filling in your business name. Alongside your business name, you'll have the option to upload a logo or a profile picture. This is very important because a recognizable logo or image can greatly enhance your brand's visibility on the platform. Make sure your image is clear and correctly represents your brand's identity. The next step is optional, but it's highly recommended. You can include your business's website. If you have one, adding your website helps drive traffic and shows potential followers that your brand operates beyond Pinterest. You'll also need to select your country or region. Selecting the correct location ensures that your business content reaches the right audience. After that, choose the category that best describes your business. Pinterest provides several categories, so take a moment to think about where your business fits best. This is crucial for optimizing your presence on Pinterest, as it allows the platform to better target your content to relevant users. Following that, you will choose up to 3 goals you wish to achieve with Pinterest. Whether it's driving traffic to your website, growing brand awareness, or increasing sales, specifying these goals helps Pinterest tailor its features and recommendations to suit your business needs. Lastly, you'll need to inform Pinterest if you are interested in running ads. Pinterest's advertising options can significantly amplify your business presence, so if you're planning to use them, indicate your interest. Even if you opt out for now, you can always set this up later. And there you have it. Your new Pinterest business account is all set up and ready to go. Start exploring the platform, pinning content, and engaging with your audience to make the most out of Pinterest's unique features. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!